want to make a quick video just to demonstrate this absolutely outstanding antique solid 18 karat gold pocket watch. This is a nice size pocket watch. The case diameter is just a hair under 50 millimeters. It measures 49.4. Keeps excellent time, was just fully serviced. Solid 18 karat gold case, multi-colored gold dial, appropriately hallmarked with the Swiss hallmarks for 18 karat gold. The movement is incredibly clean and in excellent condition. Bear with me here, I need to be careful. It's a real strong ticker and a good timekeeper. 13 jewels, made by Joseph Johnson of Liverpool. And this would date to somewhere between 1820 and 1850. Absolutely flawless case. It's a beautiful pocket watch, and that you could actually carry, and it will tell time. Take care.